Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. So today's topic is what is PSID? This is the number one question. What is PSID? And what kind of PSID issues you will get? That's later we will discuss. Second one is what is PSID? In all Dell laptops, is it required PSID? Okay, the first question is what is PSID. Second one is in all kind of Dell laptops the PSID is required or not. Third one, all PSID are same circuits in all Dell laptops. Okay, the first question is what is PSID. Second one is in all Dell laptop PSID is required or not. Third one is all PSID circuits are same or not in all kind of Dell laptops. So what are those? Normal one is Inspiron. Second one is XPS. Third one is Latitude. And next, fourth one, Alienware. Okay, so these are the doubts even some of the students has, right? So not only our students, many of technicians having this doubt, correct? So one by one I'll clear all the doubts. So first question is what is PSID. Then the PSID all Dell laptops, in all Dell laptops it's same or not, and the circuit is same or not in different kind of laptops in Inspiron or Latitude or XPS or Alienware. Okay, now the first question is PSID. PSID, what it is? This one is power source identifier. Okay, PSID means power source identifier. See, the power is nothing but wattage. So what it means, it will show 65 watt or 45 watt or 120 or 170 and so on. It's a 230. So the wattage information which an adapter has. Okay, in adapter what kind of wattage it contain, that information is nothing but PSID. Now you understood, right? PSID is a power source identifier that indicates the adapter wattage. It's a 65, 45, 120, 170, 230, whatever it may be. It's a depends on laptop, it will vary. Okay, this information from where to where it will go. See, in usually Dell laptops we are able to see the term PS_ID. Okay, from where? From adapter, in between DC jack, that circuit, and then finally it will reach where? Super IO. Okay, then the Super IO will decide your battery will charge or not. Okay, to start the battery charge, to enable the MOSFETs, high-low MOSFETs enabling technique is depends on this adapter ID. Okay, if any interrupt in between this circuit, the battery won't charge. Okay, the battery won't charge. See, the first term is adapter is the source, destination is the super IO. In between, this circuit is very important. Everyone will be concentrating on this circuit, right? What are the major fault they will do or minor? Maybe they don't know, so that's why it's a minor or major, whatever it may be. The thing is, the concept is, if the information interrupted, then your battery won't charge. That is the concept. Okay, intentionally or by components or by track mismatch or DC mismatch, whatever it may be, in between what are the components is interrupting to reach the adapter information to super IO, then you will get what? Adapter unknown message or not installed or some other issues. Okay, the main thing is your battery won't get charged. Even if detect also, the wattage, the required wattage will be less, then the battery won't charge. Okay, this is the importance of PSID. Now you got to know the PSID, power source identifier. In Dell laptop, the source where it will be in adapter. Through DC jack, through a circuit, it will reach to SIO. Correct? See, what is that DC jack and what is that circuit? We do one thing. We will open multiple schematic, XPS, latitude, Alienware and normal Inspiron. Okay, in all schematic, all circuit are same or different, you will identify. Okay, let's open the schematics. See, now I have opened multiple, not it opened, it's stored in a folder, multiple Dell schematics. See, Dell 7548, Quanta AM6, Alienware, Inspiron, Latitude, what is that, Skylake, XPS. Okay, all kind of schematics are there. In each schematics, what we have to check? We have to check the circuit is same or not. Okay, the first I am opening randomly. I am opening. You can also download any Dell schematic and you can check the PSID. Okay, in Acrobat, this one we need to enable. You need to find PSID. Just to search by PSID, you will get some information. What is that? Here is the PSID information. See, this is the DC connector, right? This is a positive and this one is negative, and in between one PSID, dark PSID. That dark PSID first, where it has gone? Just I am showing you the circuit. Okay, next we will compare each and everything. One inductor, here is a capacitor, and here is a circuit. What circuit? Transistor, N channel, NPN transistor, and here N channel MOSFET. Here is the circuit, N channel MOSFET and NPN transistor. And then the supply, 5 volt supply, and here one more, it may be the protection, for protection. How? That I will tell you later. And here it's a 3.3 volt supply. The main thing is 2.2k resistor, here 33 ohms resistor, and finally PSID will go to Super IO. It's a page number 40, Super IO. See, it started from dark PSID. It went to through a coil, and then directly it reaches here. Through this circuit, this MOSFET will operate, and then through the 33 ohms, it will convert as a PSID. To carry this signal, the 3.3 volts through 2.2k ohms, it has driven. So through this 3.3 volts signal, so it may be 3 volts because after this 2.8 or 2.9 or 3 exactly. So through that voltage, this particular signal is carrying the wattage information. PSID, power source identifier, is going to Super IO. already what I told, adapter is required and super IO is required. DC jack through this circuit is going. Now I opened one schematic. Now this is the concept. I will open multiple. Second one, Alienware I will open. In Alienware, what is that? It's a 2014 one. It's a Echo 1517 Alienware laptop. And here, what is the situation? Just you need to search PSID. What you will get? Here nothing. Next, yeah, this is the DC jack, right? So adapter DC jack. Now what is that situation? Yes, it's opening. See, it's opened here. This is a DC jack, PSID. Here also inductor. See, this is the inductor BLM15HG60. In this previous one, BLM15AG102. And now in Alienware, it's a 601SG. See, it's going through a protection diode. Okay, the circuit, MOSFET and transistor circuit, 2 resistors, and here 33 ohms resistor and supply 2.2K. See, in previous schematic 2.2 and 33 are the common, and these circuit also were the common, and this one was vary. The protection was here in present schematic, and in this previous one it's here. It has driven through 5 volts always. See, now in Alienware, here is the protection diode and here nothing, and the circuit 2.2, and here the MOSFET and transistors are same. What is that? FDV301. Here FDV301. See, in both schematic, both transistor, both MOSFETs are same. If you have any issues with this particular laptop, you can remove from the other laptop also. That possibilities are there. There are not. We can check it here. See, the both are same MOSFETs, and here 2.2K concept is same, and 33 ohms resistor concept also same. Finally, it's going to Super IO. Next, it's a Dell Alienware M14. Okay, it's a one more Dell Alienware. Enable, find, so PSID. Here it went. Next, is this the circuit? Yes. Here we need to expand. Here is the PSID. See the concept. FDV MOSFET are same. Here also 2.2K concept also same. Here it has given 5 volts. Here also given. See, both are protection only. See, this protection ESD diode and this diode also has given the circuit, same circuit, 2 resistors, 1 transistor and a MOSFET. Both are N channel, and here it will start PSID. Here is a coil also same, right? But here it's a continuation. Detect PSID, it's continuation. So what the common thing? Here is the supply, 3 volt supply, carryable supply, 2.2K ohms resistor and 33 ohms resistors are the common, and here also this one. What is that? This MOSFET and this transistor also common. The voltages are common. Okay, next I will open Inspiron 153558. What it is? Now find PSID. What we get here? Nothing. So next, yeah, this one, DC jack. If I make it big, here is the PSID circuit. See, protection ESD, Here actually bottom side we were checking, right? So here is given as a top side, but both are same. This also NPN, and here what is that? Which MOSFET? N channel MOSFET. Both are same, right? See, PSID has come through. See here one small changes. RAT has given, but 0 ohms resistor has given. Coil are 0 ohms. It's a connected one. Here coil not given. Okay. Here ESD is a common one, and this one also common one. Here 3 volts, 3.3 or 5 volts, anything they can apply, but greater than this voltage. You please please note down. It should be greater than this voltage. And here 5 volts PSID, and here 33 is common, and 2.2K is the common thing. Okay, just I will open one more. I won't explain. Just I will show you one more. I opened. This one is AMD 2020. It's a truly latest one. What it has? PSID. See, this one is latest laptop. In this also we have PSID concept or not. We'll check. Here. ESD, same circuit. Here is the MOSFET. It's a DMG301. In previous one, what is that? FDV it was the common, and the latest one DMG301. Both are MOSFETs. 33 ohms and 2.2K. What is that? Resistor. 3 volt supply is the common one. PSID, it goes to Super IO. So next one, just in randomly XPS I will open. Here, what is this? Here, search PSID. See the PSID showing. Here is a coil. Coil is a common, and this circuit is a common. For what? To enable this gate voltage. Okay, there is a concept here actually. And next 2.2 resistor and 33 ohms resistor. Where it is? 33. See, this one is purely latest, right? They removed 33 ohms resistor. In this, it has not given. So it means some of the resistor if you use, it will protect the over voltage. So that is the concept here for 33 ohms resistor. Here 2.2K means it's a 3 volts will divide as a, it's you will get as what is that 2.8 or 2.9 or 3 volts. Okay, to carry PSID signal, power source identifier signal. Okay, this one is common. See FDV again, it's a common, right? Multiple schematic. In multiple schematic we have seen the FDV MOSFET. So one thing we can understand here the voltage supply 2.2 volts machine should be there. In case if you have any PSID issues, please check this circuit. Okay, here is the DC jack, right? DC jack, first you need to check the DC jack. These 3 are positive, 3 are negative, or 2 or 3 are whatever it may be. The middle one should not touch this and this. And 33 is here. See, it is given here, but same way, but before what is that coil it has given. See, that 33 ohms has given or not, coil has given or not. Even coil not given also, no issues. You can put jumper as 0 ohms resistor. And here this MOSFET is a common, and this circuit. Okay, and here 2.2K ohms resistor. Finally PSID will reach to Super IO. That's it. See, many schematic I opened. This is the circuit, common circuits. So now you come to know what is that PSID and what are the circuit. Circuit is same or not in Dell laptops. In all Dell laptops PSID is required or not, that also we confirmed. One thing is, we confirmed in many cases the circuit will be the same. The concept is from the adapter, the information of PSID will go through the DC jack and circuit and it will reach to Super I/O. Okay, now it's clear, right? Okay, now what will be the problem in case of unknown? What condition you will get? I mean, in this circuit, what you have to check? That in simple manner, I will tell you. I am getting many doubts regarding this PSID unknown they are using. See, I showed you multiple schematic. The concepts are same. All circuits are same. One thing you need to concentrate on this 2.2K resistor. See, one thing I'll tell you, in Alienware or in XPS, you won't get the PSID. If you have issues, you won't get solved the PSID issues, because in that condition, in XPS and Alienware condition, all should be pakka. See here, 100K should be pakka, 15K should be pakka. You need to just replace the exact value of the resistors. In that case, I'm telling. Okay, need not to short this or directly put jumper, those things. Please don't do those things, because those are costly laptops. You will lose something. Okay, board may get damaged. So precaution I'm telling, board may get damaged. So please don't do this kind of circus. So MOSFET should be there. If not there, please transfer. Please remove from scrap motherboard and you can use it. All schematic, all board MOSFETs are same almost. FDV 301 only used. Okay, that's my suggestion. Beyond that, your wish. If you want to short it, you can put 0 ohms resistor instead of this. You can remove this and you put directly 0 ohms resistor. Need not to put any other things, because if you remove this will be open circuit, right? This circuit is made for this MOSFET. So if you really want to short it, don't put jumper. Instead of that, 0 ohms resistor. There will be a gap actually. See, it's a PR100 will be at. In that condition, you need to put 0 ohms resistor. Okay, what I told, it's a 2.2K resistor you need to replace, and here you can put 0 ohms in case if you want direct it for testing purpose. And here this coil also very important. You can remove and you can put the jumper or 0 ohms resistor. And here 33 is the most important thing. 33 ohms. It means from here it's a pin number 1 and 2 should be 33 ohms, and 1 to here PSID, the resistance should be what? Should be 33 ohms. It's not more than that. If more than that, then also you will be in problem. In normal laptops, in Inspiron and some of the Latitudes, easily if you put jumper, the problem will get solved. Okay, that is the term. It's clear. And what else in there? What else are there in this? So the main thing is only the resistor 33 and this one and this MOSFET. Okay, in case everything you replaced, it's pakka, you are a genius, actually you are a master, you replaced, then also you are getting unknown. Then finally 2 things you need to do. These are advanced levels, so that's why finally I am telling you need to upgrade the BIOS. One thing is you need to upgrade the BIOS. Second thing is you need to replace the what? Replace the I/O, Super I/O. Then only your problem will get solved. This is final section. See, in case of battery section, if you have some issues, then also the PSID problem you will get, because the Super I/O won't activate the high-low MOSFETs in a battery section, charging section. Okay, that also one possibilities are there, so that's why you need to check that charging section also should be working pakka. Okay, to activate the PSID, to activate the battery charging mode, the charger IC should be okay, PSID path circuit should be okay, adapter should be okay, and then finally Super I/O also should be okay. Before doing this, you need to replace adapter first, and you need to check this DC jack whether the PSID is going to ground or it's getting short or not. DC jack, many people won't check, they will replace all the components and finally they will come to us and they will tell, see, these are the things we did. So that's wrong method. First adapter, second is DC jack, and finally these things what I suggested, those things. Okay, now it's clear, right? It's a very simple adapter, DC jack, circuit and super IO. The PSID information will goes to super IO, source, destination. That's it. In future, if possible, I will show you the adapter section. What will be the PSID? That also I will try. Okay, let's try. See, here is the adapter. See the adapter. The wattage information, it contains 90.5 volts, 4.6 amps. Okay, means 90 volts or 65 volts, you need to calculate it. Okay, now what I am going to do is I will cut this part. Inside what it will be, I will show you the PSID path, what it contains. Give me some times, I will open this and I will show the inner part. See, I opened what it contains. Inside we need to take more care because of the charging voltage. See the PCB here. What about middle pin? See, it's a ground. LED, this is a positive. ST, this one, black one. So just I wanted to show you what are those. Here is the 0 ohms resistor. What are the resistors are there? Here which one is PSID? Exactly we need to examine this. Okay. In general I am showing you. R21 is showing here, R22, R23, here also one circuit is there. Is the final output capacitor. Deeply in class I will show you all the things. Okay, which one is PSID and which one is positive and which one is ground here. So in PSID adapter section completely I will show you what section it is and what it does. That's it. PSID complete information I have given through this video. If anybody wants to join our PLC, you are welcome. Please call us and get the information, complete information. Okay, thank you very much.